everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Marks & Spencer or M&S credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To log into your credit card account for M&S, go and click open a web browser. In the search box at the top, type in M&S credit card login and press enter. Go and select this first link that you can see that is called M&S Bank Internet Banking Online Banking Login -M&S Bank. You'll need to go ahead and click on that link in order to be able to log into your internet banking, which will give you access to your M&S credit card account. Once you click on that link, you'll be taken to a next page. Go ahead and sign in by entering your details in the text box that appears on the screen. Enter your username in the first text box that you can see. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on this Remember Me box so that you won't have to type it again next time you try to log in with this particular device. But remember to leave this box unchecked if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device. In case you don't remember your username, click on the Forgotten Username link and follow the instructions to look for it. Finally, after entering your username, click on Continue. And soon after you do that, on the next page, go ahead and enter your password. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to log into your M&S credit card account. With your credit card account, you'll be able to check your balance, make your payments, view your transactions, and much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.